So if you're trying to find your sprinkler valve like me, it's from my backyard, but it was in the front yard, and we were looking everywhere. And because in this corner, we never come over here, it's like in the corner by the fence, and so it was under all of this debris and everything, trash and old leaves and all that stuff, because we got these trees above us. So couldn't find it, and of course the water had been running all night for the sprinklers against our fence, and we didn't know until our neighbors came and told us, and we couldn't find a way to shut off the valve because we're looking like, where is it? I'm trying this thing. And so that's for the main water supply. So the sprinklers were like still shooting up like Caesar Palace back there, and it was actually like down here, and then all of this yuck was like all over it. So not knowing where to search for it, got my little good old handy broom and start looking again one more try, and I saw this, popped it open. Of course it was packed with dirt all around it, so that was a struggle just trying to get it out, but I was able to. I used this to chip around it carefully because, you know, there is a pipe right here. Where is it? There's like a pipe right there, so you want to be careful. But I was able to do it and then just do a little, you know, throw it out, and I was able to turn it counterclockwise, and it worked to the right. And so it's off right now till we can repair it. I bought a new unit for it because the off switch is broken off, and that is apparently the part that we need. So I'm gonna go work on that before it gets too hot because it's already smoking. And so get all my little tools. Glad to cut down some of these trees and all that crap. But there it is. Oh my god, it's looking everywhere. Thanks for watching. Hope I could help anybody that's trying to find out how to shut off your valve. Girl power.